Welcome back to my channel. For this video, I will discuss how to insert arithmetic means to an arithmetic sequence. So please keep on watching because I will explain the topic clearly and easy to understand. Bago po tayo magpatuloy at kung bago ka rin sa aking channel, pwede po bang makiusap sa iyo na please subscribe? Matutulungan mo ako sa aking channel at tutulungan din kita sa iyong pag-aaral sa mathematics. Hit mo na rin guys ang notification bell para updated ka sa sunod-sunod ng mga math videos na i-upload ko dito sa aking channel. All grade levels po ng school mathematics ang mapapanood ninyo dito. Magsimula na tayo. Definition of terms muna tayo. Arithmetic means refer to the terms between any two non-consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence. In the sequence 13, 30, 47, 64, and 81, 13 and 47 are non-consecutive terms. 30 is the arithmetic mean. 13 and 64 are non-consecutive terms. 30 and 47 are arithmetic means. 13 and 81 are non-consecutive terms. 30, 47, and 64 are arithmetic means. Problem number 1. Find the missing terms to the following arithmetic sequence. Letter A, 2, blank, 20, 29, and blank. The missing terms there is referring to the arithmetic means. To find the terms between 2 and 20 and after 29, we need first to find the common difference or D. To find the common difference, we will use the consecutive terms 20 and 29. We will subtract 29 minus 20 equals 9. So our common difference is 9. And 9 will be added to the preceding term. So 2 plus 9 is 11. 29 plus 9 is 38. Therefore, the arithmetic sequence is 2, 11, 20, 29, and 38, and 11 and 38 are the missing terms. Letter B, find the missing terms for the sequence 72, blank, blank, 51, 44, and blank. Next, we will use 51 and 44 to find the common difference. We will subtract 44 minus 51 equals negative 7. So our common difference is negative 7. And this will be added to the preceding term to get the missing terms or the arithmetic means. Let's proceed. 72 plus negative 7 equals 65. 65 plus negative 7 is 58. And 44 plus negative 7 is 37. Therefore, our arithmetic sequence now is 72, 65, 58, 51, 44, and 37. 65, 58, and 37 are the missing terms. Next problem tayo, letter C. Find the first three terms before the sequence negative 35 and negative 57. To find D, we will subtract negative 57 and negative 35. Negative times negative is positive, so we have negative 57 plus 35 equals negative 22. Since the missing terms are on the left, we will subtract negative 22 to the last term. Let's proceed. Negative 35 minus negative 22 equals negative 13. Negative 13 minus negative 22 is positive 9. 9 minus negative 22 is 31. Therefore, the missing terms are 31, 9, and negative 13. Exercise 2. Solve the following problems involving arithmetic means. Letter A. Insert 4 arithmetic means between 8 and 38. Since we are required to insert 4 terms, then the sequence will be 8, A sub 2, A sub 3, A sub 4, A sub 5, and 38. Where the first term is 8, the last term is 38, the number of terms is 6, and the common difference is unknown. And to solve for the common difference or D, we will use the formula A sub n equals A sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times D. To substitute the values on the formula, we have 38 equals 8 plus quantity 6 minus 1 times D. Solve first inside the parenthesis, we have 6 minus 1 equals 5. Then transpose 8 to the left, from positive will become negative 8. 38 minus 8 is 30. Divide 5 both sides to remove 5 from the cancel ang 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6. Therefore, the common difference is equal to 6. To insert the 4 arithmetic means, we will continue to add 6 from the preceding term, which is 8. Let's proceed. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 6 is 20. 20 plus 6 is 26. 26 plus 6 is 32. And 32 plus 6 is 38. Therefore, the 4 arithmetic means between 8 and 38 are 14, 20, 26, and 32. Letter B, insert 3 arithmetic means between 54 and 6. Since we are required 3 terms, then the sequence will be 54, A sub 2, A sub 3, A sub 4, and 6. Where A sub 1 is 54, A sub n is 6, n equals 5, D is unknown. To solve for D or the common difference, we will use the arithmetic sequence formula, and by substitution, we have 6 equals 54 plus quantity 5 minus 1 times D. Solve first inside the parenthesis, 5 minus 1 equals 4. Transpose 54 from right to left, from positive will become negative. 6 minus 54 is negative 48. Divide both sides by 4, cancel ang 4. Negative 48 divided by 4 equals negative 12. Therefore, our common difference is negative 12. To find the 3 arithmetic means, continue to add negative 12 from 54, or in other way, continue to subtract negative 12 from 54. Let's proceed. 54 minus 12 equals 42. 42 minus 12 equals 30. 30 minus 12 equals 18. And 18 minus 12 equals 6. Therefore, the 3 arithmetic means between 54 and 6 are 42, 30, and 18. Muli po, kung nakatulong sa inyo ang video na ito, please like and share. At kung hindi ka pa po nakakapag-subscribe, please subscribe na po para tuloy-tuloy ang ating pag-aaral. Kung may tanong pa po at kung nais pa kayong liwanagin or nais kong i-discuss sa aking video, please gamitin po ang comment section sa baba. Yan po ay aking tutugunan.